Hey! So today we're going to be mixing vinegar and baking soda together. So let's get into the video. Come on, Ricky, let's go. Alright, so what you need is vinegar and baking soda, of course. Alright, let's get right into the video. Alright, I have to get the baking soda. What you need is about 4 drops of vinegar. And you just need to add some baking soda. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Whoa! Guys, that is so cool. Let's add a little more vinegar. Bro! Look what it's doing to the sink. I know what to do. Let's add some red food coloring to make it look like lava. 6 drops, people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then just stir it around. And then put some more baking soda. Oh, that looks like lava. Do you guys see that? Look at that. All right, I gotta show you this really cool one. All right, put that off to the side. Put some of this in here. Ooh, way too much. Okay. There's some baking soda on there, so now it's fizzing. All right, I gotta put some baking soda in here. Now what you do is, put this in here, and just shake it. Oh! Did you guys see that? Bro, let's do it again. That wasn't too high. Ooh, way too much. Oh, come on, stop fuzzing. You guys ready for this? Oh my god. Ah. It went over to the next section. The sink. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to end this video here. Hope you enjoy your day. Hit that like button and subscribe button. Have a good day. Bye.